Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can essentially fix your shadow ban on TikTok. So first of all, what we need to obviously do is head over to our TikTok app. Once we open up TikTok, we can then go ahead and go over to our profile and start off first of all by doing something in our settings. So if we head over to the three lines in the top right hand corner, click on this and then click on settings and privacy. Once we click on settings and privacy, we will now want to scroll down until we see the option for free up space where it says cache and cellular. Click on the free up space option and then we want to go ahead and click on clear cache and also clear downloads. Once we have done this, the other option we have to do is go ahead and delete any of our flagged content. So head over to our profile now, and if we've had our content flagged or reported, or the content is just generally negative, what we can do is go onto our video and then we can go ahead and remove this from our profile. Click on delete and then go ahead and delete this. And there's two more tips that I would mention, and one of those would be just to follow TikTok's user guidelines and also not to use swear words and make your content as family friendly as possible. So it's just that simple guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.